Hello everyone, this is one of the DC machine question. Let's get into the question. Here it's given it is a DC series generator and total resistance of 0.5 ohm. This zero point 0.5 ohm is sum of armature resistance plus series field resistance. It is running at 1000 rpm. 1000 rpm and delivering a power of 5 kilowatt at terminal voltage of 100 volts. If speed raises to 1500 rpm, the load is adjusted to 8 kilowatt. Means the load changed from 5 kilowatt to 8 kilowatt and speed raised from 1000 rpm to 1500 rpm. They are saying that at the load of 8 kilowatt and 1500 rpm, we need to find how much will be the field current and the terminal voltage. Mainly, this question is based on external characteristics of DC generator. We already know in the external characteristics of DC generator, DC series generator, for voltage terminal voltages of VT and load current at the starting means at the load current is zero, the terminal voltage is equal to the residual EMF. When load current increases, it will increase the flux. Then it will, when the flux increases, induced EMF will increases. By in this condition, we need to consider the speed is constant. Means at one speed, if increase the load current, the terminal voltage will build up like this for speed n1. For another speed, the curve will shift like this if n2 is greater than n1. If if another speed, it will be n3 if n3 is less than n1. This is external characteristics of DC series generator. Now, if you go through the question, it is given total resistance, armature resistance plus series field resistance is of 0.5 ohm. In case 1, it is running at 1000 rpm and output power of 5 kilowatt. They are already given the terminal voltage of 100 volts. By this, I am finding load current. Load current will be 50 amps because Vt into IL equal to 5000. They are already given the terminal voltage of 100 volts. Then load current will be 50 amps. Now I am calculating generated EMF in armature by formula E equal to Vt plus IRA. Vt is of 100 and armature current of 50 amps and armature plus series field resistance of 0.5 ohm. By substituting all these values, I am getting induced EMF of 125 volts. We already know in series generator, armature current equal to field current equal to load current because all are connected in series. Because all are connected in series. Now you go for case 2 means its speed is increased to 1500 rpm and load is adjusted to 8 kilowatt. We need to find field current and respective terminal voltage. We already know Vt into IL equal to 8000 because output power is of 8 kilowatt. We don't know what is in terminal voltage Vt2 and load current IL. Now by changing this expression, the load current will be 8000 by Vt2. The general EMF formula will be Vt plus IL into Ra. By substituting this formula, I get an induced EMF in case 2 will be Vt plus 4000 by Vt. Right? We already know in series generator Ia equal to If. Means flux is mainly proportional to field current. If Ia equal to If, then flux is directly proportional to armature current. Now I am dividing the case 1 generated EMF divided by case 2 generated EMF equal to flux proportional armature current means case 1 armature current and case 2 armature current. Similarly, speed. By substituting this expression A and expression B in this equation, you get an total terms in terms of terminal voltage. By solving these expressions, we get a terminal voltage of 161.24 volts. Means if you run the machine at the speed of 1500 rpm, means if you run the machine at the speed of 1500 rpm and load is adjusted to 8 kilowatt, means at the 1500 rpm at the rate load 8 kilowatt, the terminal voltage will be 161.24 volts. Similarly, we already know IL equal to 8000 by VT2. By substituting this formula, I am getting armature current of 49.614 amps. I described this in a graphical form. I will show you here. Here you see, first one is in 1000 rpm, second one is a 1500 rpm. Means if the machine run at the rate of 1500 rpm, the curve will shift upwards. Previously, at the rate of 50 amps, it is producing a terminal voltage of 100 volts at the rate 1000 rpm. Now, if the load current is 49.16 amps, at the speed of 1500 rpm, the terminal voltage will be 161.24 volts. Here, we need to remember the thing like case 1, it is delivering a power of 5000 watts. In case 2, it is delivering a power of 8000 watts. Means at the rate of speed of 1500 rpm, by delivering 8000 watts, at the load current of 14.16 amps, it will give a terminal voltage of 161.24 volts. This is a very good question. If you want this sort of questions, please subscribe to my channel.